Hi everyone and welcome to Conversion Conversations. Today is a super quick video because I picked up some 3D printed parts recently. What I wanted to show off, there's a link in the description below to Triggger's Twitter account. He's been designing all sorts of different 3D printed parts. He's a friend of mine, and I saw that he had put together these little adapter pieces for your Studio Series Starscreams. Or Thrust or whatever other pieces they come out. But anyway, you know, in the Studio Series base toy, the Nullrays of Starscream, when they're mounted in robot mode, they go on the wings. And I kind of like the way that looks. But if you want a more traditional Nullray mount right here, all you got to do is you take the little plastic piece, you stick it in this slot right here, and then it gives you a port to put a 5mm peg right there, and you get him all suited up. I ended up picking up two sets, so when I eventually do get Studio Series Thrust, I'm going to put them on him also. And then this guy, I do a giveaway. The giveaway will be including these pieces, just because I think they're neat. And it's a pretty simple geometry, but the measurement turned out really nice. They fit, the fit and finish is really nice. Yeah, and I dig it. It's just a perfect little adapter. It can stick, exactly in the same spot in alt mode, so you don't have to worry about storage or anything. I just like it a lot. And that's it for today's super quick video. I believe we have a giveaway winner to announce, so let's see who won. All right, it's time to announce the winner of Transformers Generations War for Cybertron Kingdom Leader Class Maximal T-Rex from last week's video. Here, again, per the usual contest rules, are all the entries. The question I asked was, what is your favorite dinosaur? So as long as you said what was your favorite dinosaur, you were entered in, and I gave your comment a little heart to say, hey, yeah, you're entered in. So here are all the comments on the previous video. And then we have on the right all those same names entered over here. We had 33 entries. So let's see who our winner is. And I do want to remind everyone, as we're picking our winner, that this is all promoting our Extra Life campaign. If you don't know, Extra Life is a charity for local children's hospitals across America, especially right now with COVID-19. The hospital system in America is being stressed greatly. If you check out the link at the bottom of the video, there's a chance for you to win more Transformers prizes by donating to help Cincinnati Children's Hospital. All right, let's see who our winner is. Ran between 1 and 33. Number 22. Number 22 is Arkham33. Arkham33, congratulations. You won Transformers T-Rex, and he's a really good toy. I mean, it's freaking Megatron. Megatron's amazing. But the color's awesome. So congratulations. I do want to note, while we're here, check it out, little spoiler for what's coming on the channel in the future. I do want to note that in the previous video, I did a giveaway like 2 weeks ago now, or 3 weeks ago now, for Siege Sound Blaster, and I announced the video in the Toy Hacks Repro Labels video. That winner still hasn't contacted me. I just wanted to say that if you won that video, I think I put it in the comments because I wasn't sure if they had noticed that they had won. So if we go down, nope, it must, sorry, this is taking longer than I thought. I must have put it in the Sound Blaster video. Down here, let's take a quick look over here. The winner was AJ. AJ over here is, man, where are you at, AJ? Here. 2 weeks ago, you won Siege Sound Blaster. You got to reach out to me so I can, send him your way. I've got him in a box all ready to go. So just let me know, and you'll get Siege Sound Blaster. But again, congratulations to Arkham33 for winning T-Rex. I know that you can hit me up. I think you're on the Discord. I know you're on the Discord, and we follow each other on Twitter and stuff. So hit me up, and I'll get T-Rex out your way. And then stay tuned
for coming soon will be another giveaway. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll catch you all later. See ya.